Hello, I'm Corey from Bickler Concrete and Gravel. We're here today at the Biomass Center. We're pouring interior floor in the pole barn. As you can see, we got the conveyor truck set up here today, and the reason we partnered with Aero Construction out of Marquette so we wouldn't have to wheel across all the in-floor heating. So the floor was all set up with the insulation and in-floor heating, and we got the guys back here and they are pouring everything out with the interior mix from Bickler, and they'll be finishing this floor today. Everything here is going to be heated. They got a lot of different stuff that they're doing here with boiler, chip boiler and stuff like that, and that's why they went with the in-floor heating. This conveyor truck, the conveyor truck from Aero Construction, they also have a pumper truck if you need to get into a spot where you don't have good access. Here we're going 59 feet inside of this building. This truck is capable of conveying concrete, stone, and sand 110 feet. So you got a lot of access for different difficult projects that you might need. So today they're using a 4,000 PSI interior floor mix, and what that is 4,000 PSI is a good strong floor in case they need to bring tractors and stuff in here. It's a 5-inch floor in the areas that they plan on having heavier use, bringing tractors, skid steers and stuff like that in. And for interior floors, this is a no air mix, which helps them finish it a little bit better. If it was outside concrete, for the exterior, it would be an air mix. And that helps to resist the frost, the freeze thaw for the winter time, and any water penetration that you might get on the exterior concrete.